Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. Today we got a 2008 Mercedes Benz GL, what is this? 450. Customer's complaint is hard to steer. Pulling out, driving, everything was fine. All of a sudden get down the street and all of a sudden power steering just went out altogether. So I'm going to show you the proper procedure of diagnosing that right here on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Everyone, I'm Stephanie Pooch, and welcome to another edition of Astro Auto Repair. Can you dig it?
Alright guys, here we are. Okay, checking the power steering fluid. Opening up the hood, the driver's side front, here's your cap right here. Now sometimes this cap can be very difficult to take off, especially because they don't give you no real room to grab onto it. You got the front of the head right there. So what you want to do is just grab it and twist it. As you can see, then you got to be careful because your hands will hit up against that side. So you got to be very careful when you twist that off. You can see this thing. There we go. Alright, so we check the fluid. You see the fluid level. It's a little low, but not that bad. Let's put a little on our finger right here. Oh, that's dark. That is dark. That looks like I'm checking the motor oil right there. Alright, let's put this back on. Alright, let's go in there, start it up, and verify what's going on. Okay, start it up. Not turning at all. Okay, let's step on the gas a little bit, give it a little gas, get that pump really circulating. Nothing at all. Shut this off. All right. I'm going to explain something to you guys and girls. Let me set the camera up and I'll be right back. Alright guys, girls, check this out. Diagnosing a power steering pump. Now also, because a lot of times some people will tell you is the rack and pinion. That's as long as your system has a rack and pinion. Now when a rack and pinion goes, the number one symptom is hard to steer on one side and very easy to steer on the other side. This is not the case. This is completely no steering, no power steering whatsoever on either side. First thing we notice is the fluid. Now a lot of people put transmission fluid, Dextron or whatever they want to put inside the power steering. Do not do that on BMW and Mercedes. You will destroy that system. You want to make sure you get power steering fluid, and the power steering fluid is going to be clear. You can see this system, it's like completely dark, like burnt oil. That's an indication that that pump was just burning that fluid. It was no way it was keeping it cool. The rack and pinion is not going to burn that fluid. The power steering pump will. So, I already know now. The fluid's got to be changed, flushed, and that power steering pump has to be changed. Now, according to some people out there on this system, you have to discharge the AC system because for some reason it might be a line up in there. I'm not sure yet. We're still looking that up, but we're going to find out in a minute, and then we're going to let you know. All right? We'll be right back.
Okay, so today we had a 2008 Mercedes GL450 with a 4.6 engine, and the customer's complaint was the steering was hard. So it turned out to be a power steering pump. According to the repair manuals, you have to discharge the A system, but you don't really have to.
The what? What system? Sound like you said A system.
AC system.
Okay.
How's he gonna correct me? How does that work?
Okay.
All right. So if you guys have any good. If you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com.
I can't hear you though.
Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. Take a picture, it'll last longer. So if we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time. Bye-bye.
All right, guys, I'm gonna let y'all know. Check this out. Every time y'all see when Sylvia go speaking real low and she try to hurry up, that means the customer's out. Why? I have no idea why. She's shy like that. We're Astral. All right, check it out, guys. I'm gonna let you in on a little bit of secret. Whenever you hear Sylvia, when she's doing the ending and she's going kind of fast and speaking kind of low, that goes to show that there's a customer around. So when you hear her go, this is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can, when you hear that, that means a customer's around. Why? I have no idea. She has so much confidence. She don't realize that she's speaking in front of the camera and speaking to thousands of people, and she nervous about speaking to one. I don't know. Let her know. Hey, there ain't nothing wrong with it. Be like Astral. Hi. This is my better half. This is supposed to be Sylvia. So let her know. Nothing to worry about. You're Astral. Take care.